Hello from the Bureau. We're going to take a look now at the weekend ahead for the southeastern parts of the country. So the last 24 hours we've seen a cold front move into the Tasman Sea. The next feature that we're going to concentrate on today is this next cold front coming up. So let's take a look at what that might bring. So here comes the cold front now, approaching southeast parts of the country, so South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania by Friday. And you can see the rainfall coming in as well with that frontal system. Now that system will then kick and spread into New South Wales before moving on into the Tasman Sea early next week. Now as well we can see too, modelled here in the wake, very cold air behind. So let's take a look at some of those temperatures as well. So rolling in after the front comes through, we will see those minimum temperatures in particular plummet. We are expecting as a result widespread frost across New South Wales, even parts of South Australia, Vic and also Tas. So that's one thing to watch out, particularly those with any agricultural needs over the course of the weekend. This will be the first for the season. Now taking a look as well with the snowfall. So of course, snow is obviously a risk for this time of year as we start to get into winter, and this front's going to be no exception. Down to 600 metres for Tas and 800 metres for Victoria. And then a day later, when that system's moved through New South Wales, we'll have around the 900 metre mark. Now, coming up into the more central parts, I should say, of New South Wales, we are expecting a risk for the Blue Mountains. Might see a flurry. But by the time you get that little bit further north to the Barrington Tops, the precipitation amount or the rainfall amount that's available isn't going to be quite enough to have some snowfall. So even though you will be chilly, you unfortunately won't be rewarded with some beautiful snow flurries this time around. Okay, so the other feature with this system is the enhanced sea state that we're expecting moving into next week. So as this system moves into the Tasman Sea, it's going to linger and also intensify the low pressure system right off the southeast coast of New South Wales here. And you can see here some of that long fetch wave activity as well as confused sea states, making some of the waves even higher and a little bit more unsettled as well, making it really dangerous for coastal activities. So of course anyone who's out and about, particularly on the maritime areas into the later part of the weekend, early next week, please stay up to date with our forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media.